Hello guys, ayun, dito na naman kayo. Dahil wala tayo sa Flower Garden.
Hi guys!
Ito si Zion.
I am the teacher of Cheska.
Ito naman si Jessica.
Siya yung tinuturuan ko guys. Kahit matalino naman na.
Kahit ako,
Pinagsusulat ko siya ng cursive pala. Pati drawing mo yung sugar apple, pati candy blossom.
drawing ko dyan candy blossom. Teka lang, mamaya muna yan.
Ayoko na, Zion. Rest time kasi. Bakit pinagsusulat mo kita? At saka bakit ba? Teacher ka ba?
Ito ako.
Totoo bang teacher ka?
Dito muna. Yan.
Hoy, huwag niyo sayangin papel ko kasi. Rock your body. Come on, rock your body.
Rock that body, rock your body. Come on, rock that body, rock your body, rock that body. Come on, rock that body. Ganda kita. Tsaka, dito yun naman yung sugar apple.
Yeah.
Hindi rin makita yan. Ganito naman talaga yung sugar apple. Hindi nga makita. Yung kamay mo man eh. Hindi papakita. Yan guys, ang sugar apple. Kinagatan na ng langgam. Sabi ng langgam, ang sarap. Kaya ng sugar eh. Tsaka dito naman, candy blossom. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe and click the notification. Please subscribe and like. Please subscribe and like and share. Please.
Si Sir Ray hindi nagpapa-assignment yun.
Goodbye. You need to subscribe. If you not subscribe,
Say you.
you don't have any Robux. Okay. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Oh, you need to subscribe and we're gonna be again. Did you want? Okay. Bye-bye.